Are you excited for day one? We're going to reveal some very cute products that are coming out for October 1st. Release day is at 9 a.m. on October 1st. You are going to see the cutest paper pad and ephemera packs, perfect for your holiday card making. I have a cute little project to share. We have 2 stamp sets and a paper pad and ephemera pack. Here's the ephemera pack. It is so super cute. So tomorrow Teresa will be on the YouTube channel sharing day 2. So she's got a really cute collection to share with you. Now all these products here are in your box of the month for October. We just had 2 spots open up and they got snatched up so quickly. I'm sorry if you weren't able to get in, but if we have any spots opening up on October 1st, I will definitely list that. If not, later on in the month, something might open up. I'll send an email blast out letting you know. I will have the waiting list in the description box for you if you want to sign up for that. You can get the paper pad and the ephemera on the website separately, so you don't have to be in the box of the month to grab the paper pad and the ephemera. Those will be listed October 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. The stamps are exclusive to the box. So let's share the cute little stamps that you're getting. This is Peace on Earth. So cute. These cute little deer all dressed up for the holidays, and this cute little Christmas tree. It's got little Christmas tree like ornaments, and I think this Christmas tree would be super cute to like stamp in like a pink or teal to match the paper pad. Stamp them in a row and then have your cute little deer in front of them, or a really pretty sentiment. This one here, Peace on Earth, is like perfect to like get one of your little small round dies out and cut that out. We have Deck the Halls. There's no place like home for the holidays. This cute little present with little carrots sticking out for the little deer. And then he's got some Christmas lights. There's a little candy cane, some stars, a little shine marks, some holly, a little branch. So super cute. This next stamp set is really cute with these large sentiments. This is called Snarky Christmas. So we've got Let It Snow Somewhere Else. We've got a Merry Christmas. This is As Jolly as I Get. Wake Me Up When Winter is Over. I'm Only a Morning Person on Christmas. OCD, Obsessive Christmas Disorder. Let's Bake Stuff and Watch Christmas Movies. Here Comes Amazon, Here Comes Amazon, right down my driveway. This year I'm giving my opinion instead of presents. Okay, there's the 2 stamp sets. Let's take a look at the Christmas time paper pad and coordinating ephemera. And I want to share the cute little project that I did. I followed Julie's tutorial. She is on our design team and she did this really cute tutorial. I'm going to put the tutorial in the description box so you can do this. I turned it into a card, so this is just supposed to be a box, just this part here, to house some cute little candies. But I thought the shape of it looked like a card, and so I put up just a card. I glued a card front onto it. So now I could write a little message and it's like an interactive card. So the little tag is stuck to the top, and I used the ephemera to decorate, put a little rose, and just made it all color coordinated. I'm gonna have to get some Christmas candy because this is Halloween candy. The blue doesn't really go. So we'll fix that. So really super fun. Okay, so let's take a look at the paper pad. Who's excited for the release? I just love when new paper and ephemera come out. Okay, so we've got Christmas time. How cute are these images? Super cute. poinsettias with the beautiful, it's like a beautiful bluish green color. Got a little fox and a snowman. And then the really pretty poinsettias. And then we've got a deer with a little scarf. Kind of like a mauve pink. Little holly. Really, really pretty burgundy color. And then the side has some cute little birds with scarves and a hat. Really cute. So the poinsettias on a white background and then on a green. I love these cute little characters. That polar bear is so cute. And I love the stuffed little reindeer on here. Really, really cute. So for this paper pad, you get 2 of each design. Here's a bigger print of the critters. And a nice green. Very, very pretty. So let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. So I did use a couple of pieces, let's see. So I used this one, I decorated the inside. I used this and this one. So 3 pieces are missing from my pack here. I'm gonna play some music and lay everything out for you. Check out these cute girls. Holding a present. There's those cute little characters. Here's a couple of scenes. Little hot cocoa, a little bow, a lantern. There's some more girls in here. Let's see. A little planner book. Some cute characters. Cute fireplace and a cute hot cocoa little cozy setup. Little ticket, little postcard. These little dolls are adorable. Remember, on the 10th, we'll have an inspiration hop providing lots of ideas on how to use the contents in your box, your Stampin' Die of the month, and your Paper Pad Club of the month. So all of our items can be purchased by subscription. So that means you can opt in for monthly deliveries, or you can purchase them as a one-time purchase. When you subscribe, you get 18% off, plus you get a juicy coupon to shop with all month long at the Not Too Shabby shop. The percentage is usually 15% off. So if you are a frequent shopper at the Not Too Shabby shop, one of our subscriptions might appeal to you. We have a beautiful paper pad club, which includes 2 paper pads, and you can opt in for the coordinating ephemera. I will be sharing that on day 3. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. I will see you real soon, guys, and take care. Bye, guys.